back to another motivational video. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I know I've been MIA, but I am back with another motivational video for you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Eve, Life with Eve. Thank you so much for tuning in. On today's video, I'm bringing you guys a day in my life. It's like what I did all day. So hopefully you guys like it. There's gonna be some motivation on it, and I just hope you guys enjoy the video and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my channel out, and hopefully you guys enjoy it, guys. See you guys in a bit. And here I am in my garage helping my husband to finish up this garage because, guys, it's been a minute that we've been working in this garage and we have not finished it, and we need to finish it ASAP because we have all his tools in the yard and it looks so cluttered and messy in the back. So we want to get this project done and over with so he could put his tools where they belong. And if you guys are new to my channel, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you decide to subscribe to my channel, join the family. And I have a little announcement. Yes, guys, we moved. We do not live in the mobile home anymore. I am so excited and feeling blessed that we were able to purchase this home. We've been here like 3 weeks, going to 4 weeks now, and it's been amazing, guys. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 living room, and we are planning to do a lot of things because it does need a lot of work. Well, not a lot, I'm over exaggerating, but you know, when you're a homeowner, you want to put your own personal details on it. So I'm excited for that. So if you're new to my channel, guys, you guys please make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. And yes, guys, we are, oh my god, I am just excited. But anyways, we are here in my bedroom. I am doing my bed because for some reason, every time I see my bed that is not done, it feels messy. So I like to do my bed and just make sure that it looks nice and organized, because you know, when you have a clean, done bed, it just looks much better and it feels much better when you get in those sheets, and you know the drill. But anyways, that's what we're doing here, guys. We're fixing up the bed before I do anything else. And here, washing my rags with my favorite bar soap, Sote. You can find this bar soap in any local supermarket or Walmart. They are so cheap. They're like 99 cents, if not 99 cents, and they're like $1.09, something like that. But it's really, really, really affordable, and it smells so good, guys, and it leaves your rags super clean. I remember back in the days when I was in Mexico, my mom used to wash her clothes with Sote by hand, and even your white clothes, it will leave it sparkly clean. I just love this bar soap. And here we are with these endless dishes. I do have a dishwasher, guys, in this house, but it's not working. It does not work because I guess because you need a food disposal, and I do not have one. So the dishwasher is just there to be there. And but I don't mind because I always been washing dishes by hand. I always wash dishes since I was a little girl, since I recalled, and I don't mind at all. I like washing dishes, and I find it so satisfying watching somebody else wash their dishes. I don't know, it's just so satisfying for me. And finished up washing the dishes. Now I am cooking. Right here I'm making some, in El Salvador they call these pastelitos, but since I am Mexican we call these empanadas. I made these out of carne asada and potatoes and veggies, and I was just here calling my husband to come and eat, and as you guys can see him, my hard-working man, working hard, finishing up this project that we had to get done. And look, this is how it's looking like, but it looks amazing now. Alrighty then guys, this is all on my end. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Take care. God bless you all. And please comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. See you guys on the next one. Bye.